हे व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू द ग्लैम वर्ल्ड। और आज मैं करने लगी हूँ वो होने वाला है बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमेजिंग और एक्साइटिंग, क्योंकि मैं लेके आई हूँ आप लोगों के लिए द ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन पार्टी मेकअप। तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Before starting makeup, make your face stand with CTMP. Now I am using the Swiss Beauty Pore Primer, suitable for all skin type. It is a gel-based primer, good for normal to oily skin. As a base, here I have the olive oil base stick. Blend your base with your fingertips or the foundation brush. After the base application, take a wet sponge and dab it all around to even the base. Now done with the base application and the sponge dabbing, following with the powder application. Here I have used the Revlon Compact. Powder application helps the base to give a matte look. Now moving on to the next, I am doing contouring to enhance and sculpt the structure of my face. While you can't change the shape of your nose, but you can definitely use makeup to alter its appearance. The perfect nose contour and highlight can make all the difference. Now keep in mind to highlight the opposite part of the area you have done the contouring. Going on to the next, following the eye makeup, I have used the Modern Mars Matte Palette. Firstly, I am using the blue shade for my crease line with perfect blend. I have used the blue shade according to my dress. You can also go for the choice of colors you want or according to your dress. Secondly, I am applying the pink shade of the same palette in my inner corner of my eyes. This is also according to my dress. For my eyeball area, I have used the shimmer rose golden color. I'm doing it with the sponge applicator. Now moving on to the outer corner of my eyes, here I have used a shimmer brown shade of the Mars palette. For my brow bone highlighting, I am using the golden shade from the Maybelline New York Lemonade Craze. Going on, I am applying the kajal from Lakme Super Dark because the Indian makeup is incomplete without applying the kajal. Here I am using the same kajal pencil to apply the eyeliner. Firstly, I am applying a basic eyeliner, then to proceed with the wing. I am applying the kajal on the upper lids of my eyes so that my eyes look little bigger. Before proceeding with your eyelashes, make sure you apply mascara to your natural lashes. Moving on to the false eyelashes application, please wait for 2 minutes after finishing your application. Now, for my under eyes, I am using a silver shade. Following with the brow shaping with the colors green. Here we have done with our eye makeup. Now moving on to the blusher with my same Mars Love Flush palette. I did my blush a bit darker, so I am correcting it with the powder application. Now doing the highlighting part, again using the rose golden shimmer shade. For my lip color, I have the HR Matte Lip Gloss 08 shade. शेयर कर देना वीडियो को, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना और मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो आप क्या देखना चाहेंगे। जल्द मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।